Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see a super live wallpaper application. It's called Fluid Live Wallpaper Application, and it will be look like this. It have a different type of water flow or colors flow inside your home screen like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Fluid Magic 3D live wallpaper application from the Play Store. It's actually a like game and relax wallpaper. You just click on the theme section. Here you can find a lot of different type of wallpaper themed section here, so you can just select any one of the wallpaper. I just selected the first fluid, and you can just click on the setting option to have the quality like medium, high or low, and also there's a lot of settings for this. You can just enable it and you can see how it's look like on my home screen, which by just clicking it have a fluid around the screen, which a colorful fluid which actually like a relaxed wallpaper. Here it's look great actually. You can just click on anywhere on the screen. There will be a fluid and you can look like it's a game. And you can also use this wallpaper, which is because it's super relaxing actually. And I'm just going to change another wallpaper. This is another wallpaper which provide different colors while just touching the screen. Actually look great on my mobile phone. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.